Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Burning Gundam / God Gundam full suit build series 12.5. I decided that I'm going to repaint the shoulders. I don't like how the paint turned out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand the entire shoulder down and then do the white first, and then I'll do the red, and then I'll come back in and do the black detail line in the middle. Let's get sanding. Alright, I have the shoulders sanded down. I used 120, then I used 320 to sand it down. It was just a real quick sanding, nothing too serious. So now I'm going to wipe it down, and then I'm going to start painting the white, which is going to be up here and on this little part right here. I'm not too worried about overspray, because then I can just cover it up, cover the white part when I'm doing the red and the black. Let's get wiping and let's get painting. Alright, so I have the white done. It turned out really nice. It looks a lot better than it did before. You could see some overspray of the red paint. So now I'm going to make sure when I retape it that I do a better job to protect the white, so when I do the red, it won't bleed through. And I also redid this part here to give it a little bit of a fresh look. So now I'm just going to let these sit and dry overnight, and then tomorrow I'll start taping it off and doing the red. Alright, so now we're going to start taping off the white so I can paint down here red. I'm also going to be taping this off, and that's pretty much all else I have to tape off. Let's get taping. Alright, so now I have the white part taped off, so now I'm going to go ahead and start painting the bottom part red, and then once that's done, then I'll put some tape around this so I can do this black line detail in the middle. So let's get painting. Alright, so the black line has been added, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tape off and see how everything turned out. And I also painted the vents right here. I painted them gray. Not like perfect paint, but nobody really sees, but I just painted it gray just to make it look like it belongs there. Let's get removing this tape and let's hope for the best. Alright, the tape has been removed, and I'm really happy how the paint has turned out. Because before I had a lot of bleed through up here. I saw some red before, but now I have a nice sharp line, and my black detail line here looks nice and sharp. Definitely looks a whole lot better than it did before, which you can see from the pictures right here and up here. And here's the other shoulder. Turned out really nice, and the red has got a nice reflective look to it. And I also painted the vents right there like a off gray color to mimic what it actually looks like. Alright, so that is it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.